Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and let's look back at the year 2020, the two versions of Windows that we have received. Windows 10 May 2020 update was released in May, and it actually was tested for a very, very long time. They had 6 months of testing. One of the things that we thought would happen with the May 2020 update is that it's been tested so long in the insider rings and had so many little updates in between that we were pretty sure that that would be a good version from the start, that everything would be fine. And it didn't take a long time on the May 2020 update to find that after release, there are quite a few little bugs that popped up. And it is interesting because with all the tests that they did, you're kind of wondering exactly what went wrong. Where did the testing not go right so that they didn't see those problems actually pop up? Now, thanks to the way that Windows 10 is being updated on machines, one of the things that was nice is that at least they can block the machines that have a problem and still let Windows 10 update on machines that they know are going to be okay. But it is kind of weird that after such a long time of testing, there was all of these problems that creeped up and popped up quite soon at the release of the Windows 10 May 2020 update. Now, of course, as I'm making this video at the end of the year, we're December 21st, 2020 today, one of the questions that I see all the time is, oh, well, I'm going to wait till this is fixed. It is fixed. The May 2020 update has very little problems left. And if you have it on your Windows updates, it's because you're not affected by any of the problems or the known issues. And that clearly shows us that whether they tested for 3 weeks or tested for 6 months, it's clear that there's something that's wrong at the Microsoft level for the observation of the problems. Because, 6 months in the insider rings, some people had that problem. Some people did have that problem. A lot of people are saying, well, that's because they have less engineers now and they need to stop testing on the insider rings. It's not worth anything. On the contrary, the Windows insider rings are actually very efficient. And pretty much all the problems are always there. The problem isn't that they're using the insiders. Actually, it's really, really a good thing because it's tested on many more computers than they would test internally. It's clearly at another level. Someone somewhere, the way they work, the way they see things, they don't see what's reported. And that's, let's hope that that could change for the future. And the second update, of course, was the October 2020 update, and that was minor update. It's actually the same version. A lot of people are saying, well, there are a lot of bugs in the October. Well, it's the same version. It's just that they tweaked a few things here and there. They added a couple of little things, very minor things here. But overall, it's the same version. And so if your May 2020 update works fine, there's not any reason really to have a problem when updating to the October 2020 update. As, like I said, it is the same version of Windows. It's just that it's, it's what we would call in the past a service pack, if you want. So I don't know. Let's hope that for the future, the testing and the observations for problems in future builds will actually be better. Because there's no excuse after such a long time of testing that they kind of missed the mark a little bit. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.